Hey, Cyber-Theo here. If you're looking to elevate your music game, you'll need a top-notch electric guitar. Here are the 3 best electric guitars that musicians swear by. Fender Stratocaster. Pros. Versatility, perfect for various genres like rock, blues, and jazz. Comfort, contoured body design ensures comfort during long playing sessions. Iconic sound, known for its bright, clear tone. Cons. Noise, single-coil pickups can be prone to hum. Price, high-end models can be costly. Gibson Les Paul. Pros. Rich tone, famous for its warm, thick sound. Sustain, exceptional sustain due to its solid body. Build quality, renowned for its high-quality craftsmanship. Cons. Weight, heavier than many other electric guitars. Price, premium models can be very expensive. PRS Custom 24. Pros. Versatility, can handle a wide range of musical styles. Playability, smooth neck and comfortable design. Aesthetics, known for its stunning finishes and attention to detail. Cons. Price, higher cost compared to entry-level guitars. Availability, might be harder to find in some regions. These guitars are loved by professionals and beginners alike. Try them out and see which one suits your style. Consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber-Theo.